Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to switch screens on this device. So as you can see, you have two different screens on this device. You have this front screen and you have this back screen. And if you want to switch the screens, what you have to do is to just press this quick switch button here, and after that it will automatically switch to the front camera here. As you can see, by tapping this button one more time, you can switch back to the back screen, and that's how it's done. Just tap this button once, and after that it will quickly change screens. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.